Hey guys, welcome back to another drawing video. Today, I'm gonna do a little tailgate for my stuffed animals on this channel. I don't know if I'll upload any more videos, but for the most part, I'm just gonna do this for now. Be expecting more around the videos on this channel, Halloween and many more things, cause I know Halloween is coming up pretty soon. So I wanna do that, and there's more Pinocchio videos coming on your way too. But for now, since I'm gonna do this little sports theme today I'm gonna be drawing Airbud, the dog that can do many sports. We'll be drawing him today. Now he is a golden retriever, so he'll be yellow pretty much. We're gonna start a little bit on the head and ears. So I'm just going to put a little hump here to show his head. Just a little hump. I don't know if he'll be looking to the side, but I think he will because I want him to have balls all around the area. So maybe I'll have him look to the side on one of the balls here. So I'm going to draw his ears actually instead so you can see. Now his ears are a bit of a triangle shape. So we're going to make a mold and bigger shape and make a roundish triangle right there. As you can see, mine's not that straight, so I need to curl it up a bit. Make it more straight. Now, it doesn't matter how straight or round you make it. It's pretty much going to be a floppy ear anyway. So don't expect too much to be like it. So here's what it is for now. And now we're going to come in and do his head. This is what a head should look like a little bit. And then we can come down and do his muzzle here. Let it come out a bit because he has a big nose. And I'm going to make him make a little smile here because he's looking at one of the balls and he's probably very happy about it. Because Airbud loves balls and he loves playing sports. So we want to get that in there. Now, if you want, next, I can draw the Homeward Bound character, which is very similar to what Airbud looks like, because Shadow is a golden retriever just like him. So I could probably do him as well. So Airbud does many different sports. He does basketball, football, volleyball, baseball, soccer, and that's pretty much all I could think of that he does. I'm just going to draw his eyes here. His eyes don't really show up in this picture that I have right here, but I'm going to try my best to show what he has. I might come back later and fix it up, but for now, it might stay like this. For now. I'm going to have his tongue come out a little bit, so he looks like he's looking at the ball. Because sometimes he has his tongue sticking out sometimes. So I want to get that in there a little bit. Here it is, sticking out a little. Now, don't worry, we'll get into all of this and make it look nice. Right now, since he's a golden retriever, he's going to be a little more furrier. He's going to have a jersey on too, so keep that in mind while we're making this, that he's going to have a lot of furriness going on. So we'll go in there, do a lot of detail on his fur a little bit. But for now, we're just going to stick to what we have. He's going to have a big, long neck here to show his jersey on. So draw a big, long neck here. It doesn't really matter how big it is because we're going to erase some of it access off later on anyway. So make it as big as you want for now, and we'll come back in and fix it. Okay, now his jersey's going to come in, and we're going to, draw a little triangle here. A big, giant triangle. Doesn't matter how big it is. Just make it as big as you want, really. Because we're going to erase the access off later on anyway, so it won't be anything crazy. You can go in and draw it again if you like to make it look like that he has, a little collar on. Like a little jersey collar. Now he's going to bring in this version, he's going to be wearing his basketball jersey. But you can draw him any jersey you like, really. You can draw him in his volleyball one, his baseball one. You can draw a little hat on him if you like. anything really, because he can do any sports you want him to do. So either way, he's gonna have many different jerseys to wear. So I'm gonna have a round base right here for his jersey, so you can have his paw come out right here. Now I think I'm gonna have him sit down because he's a good boy. I think he's gonna sit down because I want him to actually look at the balls that's around him. So you can do it any way you like, but I would rather have him sit down so he can see everything. I think I'm going to have his back turned a little bit like this, just for show. He's going to be very big because he's a golden retriever. Golden retrievers are huge. So here's his tail. It's going to come up a bit right here. It's not very long, so it'll just come up like this pretty much. I don't think I'm going to do that much on that. This is going to be his paw right here, I think. It's not very long, but I just wanted to show. He's going to have his, I think his, you know what? I'm just going to do his, now, you can draw whatever you like on his paws, but he might wear, in my version, he might wear sneakers. Because sometimes he wears these little booty sneakers that he wears on the field, so he doesn't slip and fall. Because in the movie, he slips and falls all over the place. So they give him these sneakers to make him stay on the field a little bit more. So I'm going to draw on his little feet. I might draw on his sneakers a little bit later, but here's what it is right now. So here's his paws right here. I'm just gonna make his come up a little bit more here. You're gonna have a shirt. You're gonna have a shirt hanging down a bit, so you can have a shirt curl up like this, like that, and have it come down like this over his body. Now he looks kind of fat-ish, so I'm going to come back in and fix that a bit. I'm going to come back and fix that because I think he's a more heavier dog. He's a more stronger dog. I don't want him to look fat. But you can draw him any way you like, but I think I want to make him less bulky. Here's his sleeve right here. It's going to come out a little bit. Here's his other paw. It's still a little bulky-ish, I guess, but, you know, I think this is okay. I'm going to allow this, I think, because I'm going to allow this, considering he has a big, giant jersey on. It kind of makes him hang a little because he's a dog. So I'm gonna keep it the way it is, I think. You can make it as bulky as you want, really, because it's supposed to be a jersey hanging down from him a bit. So I don't think I put too much from it. So we're gonna draw all his designs on here. So we're gonna draw a little K here for K9. That's like his number here. So we're going to draw in a K. Now you can draw in bubble letters. You can draw in any design you like. For me, I'm just going to draw in bubble letters here. So that's his K. And here's his 9. But I don't think I'm going to have it out too much. It's going to be off to the side, so you can't really see it too good. So that'll be a 9 right here. And you could draw it any way you like, because it's going to be off to the side a bit. I'm going to have mine curl up so you know it's a 9. And not like, so here it is, the 9. What else? He has a little bit of a collar-ish thing here for his jersey, so we're gonna make it come out like that. What else? Well, he has a little bit of hair on his tail, so let's go in and like make some details on his tail a little bit. So he has a lot of hair here, so we're gonna go in and out like this, and you can do it any way you like. So I'm just gonna go in and make his tail a little fluffier on the tip right here, because it's a little fluffy there on the tip. And he's a golden retriever, so keep that in mind when you're drawing him, because he's fluffy everywhere pretty much. So you can draw him any way you like with the fluffiness. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Yeah, as you can see, it's like a hairbrush. It's like a big giant paintbrush, his tail pretty much. Okay, so here's more of his hair, I think. So I'm just going to do a little bit here on his paw. Just going to draw a little bit on his paws here. So I'm just trying to show all his access. And you can draw airbud any older you want. I'm just drawing his younger form because he was mostly a pup a little bit during the time when he was with the other characters. So keep that in mind when you're drawing him, that he's gonna look a little fluffier. So yeah, just gonna draw a little bit of fluff here and there. You can draw a little fluff around to show how fluffy he is in the inside. And if you want, you can have his hair curl up a bit right here. Yeah, his hair is mostly clean. I'm going to keep it the way it is, I think. But you can draw it any way you like, really. But I might stage it out like this a bit. I'm going to see if his legs need it, but I think we're almost done here. He's actually not as like I thought he was, but he's good enough. Just going to draw a little bit of fluffiness around here. Yeah, and I think that's all I'm going to do with him. Let's draw his sneakers in a bit. See if you can find a good one of his sneakers. Here we go. So I'm going to draw in his little sneakers in. And you can draw whatever you like. Draw like normal sneakers like this, I think. They'll be fine. There we go. And now I'm going to draw some balls around him. We'll draw a basketball here. And their ball here. Let's see here. I'll draw the ball here. Okay, here's the basketball. I think I'm just going to take this from the soccer ball right here. You could draw any sports things he likes, really, because I mentioned all of them in this video. If you want to go back and, like, review them all, you can draw any of them you like, really. If you don't remember them all, don't worry. You could just draw the ones you remember, and I'm sure it's not a big deal. Now, for the soccer one, it's a little bit tricky, so I don't think it's going to be perfect for me or you, so just try your best. I think this will be okay for a soccer ball. I'm going to draw a baseball here. A little tiny one here. Because he plays baseball as well. And you can draw a big volleyball over here. And then I'm going to draw a football somewhere, I think. I'm just drawing all the sports ones all around him. Just going to put the football one on top. And it might look like he's bouncing it on his nose, maybe. There we go. And that is airbud, I believe. And now I'm going to draw his, I'm going to sign it. Now you can also sign it. You can put it anywhere you like. I think I might put mine on top. Now airbud also has 5 puppies. He has Butterball, who is the football guy. B-Dog, who likes the basketball. Volleyball, which is Buddha. Rosebud likes soccer. And Mudbud likes this volleyball here. So if you want me to do any of them, let me know in the comments below. And I will draw them as well. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Hey guys, actually I'm back from doing airbud. I just remembered that I forgot to color him. So, you guys can color him too if you like. I just remembered to color him. So this, you can make this a part 2 if you like. Part 2 on how to color him as well. So, I'm going to get out a very golden yellow color since he's a golden retriever like I said. So we're going to go in and use this yellow here. But you could use any gold you like. This one's called golden yellow. So this one's going to be a little bit of a more yellow-ish golden. So I'm going to come in and color him gold. Yellow gold. if you guys recommend, I can do more of these airbud characters. I can do some of the buddy's friends as well. I can do some of them too, like I can also draw some of the characters from Pup Academy as well. That'll be a really cute idea to do. And draw a few of them. I'm going to go with Airbud because he's the most familiar, I think, out of all the characters in this area. Because he... Now, his team is the Timberwolves. If you guys, a little bit of trivia for you, that's the name of his sports team that he hangs out with. Let me sharpen this a bit. I just stayed in his jersey because this is the most iconic. But you can draw him in any jersey you like. Or if you want, you don't have to have him wear a jersey. You can just be plain old golden retriever. I just want to draw this just so he knows who it is and not get confused with Shadow, like in Homeward Bound. Because they look very similar to each other. Now, do not be confused by the earbud earphones, because this is a dog. So his name is Airbud. This is way before earbuds were even a thing. Okay, so that's him in his yellow form. He looks all nice now. Doesn't he? Now I'm going to come in and draw his lines here, because there's a few lines. I forgot to sneak in a bit when I did his jersey. So I'm going to come in and do some of his lines. That's good, I guess. I guess we're going to go in and draw his jersey now. Now, his jersey is also sort of yellow. So we're going to come in and draw his letters yellow, his K and his 9 there. Now in the beginning, like I said before, Airbud didn't have these sneakers and he was slipping all over the place on the field. And he was trying to get the ball. And in the beginning, it was hard for him to actually play basketball, if you remember. So he could only do on the field along with his owner. So yeah, a little tricky for him. But he got to wear these sneakers that would help him stay on the field. Now we're going to get dark blue out. This is purple. I'm going to look for the dark blue for a minute. Nope, this is black. I think this is dark blue right here. So you can come in and like color his jersey dark blue. Make sure it's dark blue because we want to get the colors right in here. Now I'm going to draw his color his sneakers in. Now his sneakers are going to have a different design than most, so I'm going to go in there and fix that up a bit. Now I'm going to get the dark blue ones so they match the jersey. Oh wait, no. I think I'm going to go with black instead. They're actually black in this picture, so let me go in and fix that up. So I'm going to just draw little designs on his sneakers. But you can draw any design you like on his sneakers. Anything you like, really. And you can draw little soccer balls on them. You can, like, maybe just keep them white or whatever. Or it can match his jersey. Or, you know, he also used to be a clown dog. You could also draw him in his clown outfit if you like as well. He used to be a clown dog before he was a basketball player. That's actually a fun fact. So you can also draw his clown outfit if you want as well. I'm going to stick to him doing this because the man that had him was very mean and nasty, so I'm going to draw his little tongue pink here. And I'm going to draw I'm going to color all of his sports balls. Now, you don't have to draw this one orange if you don't like, because his owner, Josh, has another one that's like a Globetrotters one, or like a, one with like a red and blue one. So if you want to color that one as well, a little shout out to what he used to do. Or you can draw like a little blue ball that he used in the clown days. Now, I don't remember if you guys, I don't think I drawed him here, but I drew, Big Giant Dog from Sandlot, Hercules, as well. And so, I'm very familiar with drawing live-action dogs. Now I'm not going to color the volleyball anything. It's going to stay the way it is because it's a volleyball. Okay, that is him. Now I'm going to do a Sharpie because I think I want people to show more of his hair a bit, just to get more detail in there. Now you guys don't have to do a Sharpie. I think I just want to use it just to show more detail in his body. I think he has brown eyes, so I'm gonna come in and like bring in his brown. Looks like he has brown eyes in this picture, so I'm gonna give him brown eyes. There we go. Okay, and that is how you draw Airbud. I will see you next time. And comment below if you want me to draw any more Airbud characters, whether it's his puppies or any of their friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. I forgot to color in his 9 right here. You guys don't have to do this part, but I think I want to because I want to show more high def in his little thing. So, excuse my thing. It's not really fully prepared for this, so you might not be able to see it too well. But here it is done. Sorry about that. Now I will see you next time. Bye.